So this is the boiler room. There's the purple key. Boiler room. Then you open. Then you go straight. This is the boiler, and this is two boxes. You just press once here, press once here for the lights to be, three of them on. Okay, that is all.